Hey, this is Ron, KC0QVT, and I'm with Thomas, KX0STL. Thomas is from Rolla, Missouri. I came into Rolla and we put a DMR repeater on the air, and Thomas made his first DMR QSO. Well, this was a few years ago, and he's here at Hamvention 2024, and he's also, I think you're an alumni of S&T, but now you're going to grad school, and he's now working for NASA. But I wanted to do a follow-up interview to see how things are going with the W0EE Ham Club, particularly with DMR, and what's happening. So what's happening with that club?
Oh, we're definitely growing. COVID was hard on almost every, organization, especially ham clubs and universities. Probably maybe 4 of us, 5 of us, when you came by, brought that repeater by, because you brought that to the club in March, and then April, everything was gone. But now I think we're pretty strong, maybe 12, 15 members, like pretty active students. We're still giving ham license to the community and students, and
Doing a lot of testing?
a lot of testing. Oh yeah, we were like something like 70 or 80 a year, something like that.
Oh, nice.
Getting new
Wow.
people in the hobby. What else? Your DMR repeater, you came by, tuned it up for us.
Is it still running?
Oh, it's still running. No, I think we're probably the only DMR thing around in that part of Missouri, and it's just let it go. People in the area use it.
Nice.
We get called of it. We turn it off. We're gonna work on something. They call us right away, like, "Oh, what happened to my repeater?" So it's pretty active down there.
That's really cool. So if you're driving down I-44 in the middle of Missouri, heading from either going to St. Louis to Springfield, Missouri, Joplin, Missouri, you're going to go through a town called Rolla, Missouri, and this repeater is on a tower called TJ. It's one of the biggest dormitories as you're driving through that area, and there's a repeater on there, W0EE. I don't know the exact frequencies, but so it's in the repeater book for sure.
3.825.
443.825. What is the color?
Color code 12, 110.9 PL.
Okay, so yes, it's doing analog as well. So that's awesome to learn. So are all the guys in the club, I know you guys got an awesome HF rig and stuff there at the shack, but are any of the guys doing DMR?
It's fun to play with and try and find, especially finding alumni. You can call people into the club from wherever in the world, and we'll try and get a digital mode net once in a while and just see where alumni are these days and where they ended up after school.